Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this time, I'm going to do the GeekBench Mark 6 test on the iQOO 7 Pro device with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. So this is the iQOO 7 Pro friends, and this is my day one of using the device, and I'm going to do the Geekbench Mark test after the unboxing, and we'll try to see what is the overall benchmarks going on in this device. And at this moment I'm not using any kind of monster mode, so without using any monster mode I'll try to do the test one time, and with using monster mode I'll try to do the test second time as well. So we'll try to compare the results with and without monster mode. And right now let me start this Geekbench Mark 6 test in this iQOO 7 Pro, and I will be back after some time again to check the overall benchmark test results. So right now, as you can see friends, we got the single core and the multi-core results in the iQOO 7 Pro, so which is pretty good for the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, so which is exactly kind of very close results we're getting. So without using any kind of monster mode, I did do the testing in this iQOO 7 Pro device. So in case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below friends. In the next upcoming videos I'll try to use a monster mode, and then I'll try to do the testing as well. But this is my day one of using the iQOO 7 Pro device after the quick unboxing. So these are the benchmarks you can actually expect in this iQOO 7 Pro. Until then, signing off, thank you for watching and bye.